Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how you can transition your favorite summer outfits to autumn or fall, whichever word you want to use. So yeah, some simple things to do is to just add like a jacket or cardigan or sweater on top, and change the shoes and maybe the bag as well if needed. So yeah, let's just start. So that was it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye!